Hello everyone, welcome to another inspirational episode of She Matters. Today, I have the pleasure of welcoming a remarkable leader who is truly an inspiration to many. Miss Silvy Samuel, Senior Delivery Manager, Transportation Business Unit. With over 2 decades of experience in Tata Elxsi and over at the automotive service industry, she has been a cornerstone of excellence, leadership, and innovation. I would like to take this opportunity to wholeheartedly welcome Ms. Silvy Samuel to this talk show. Welcome, Ms. Silvy, and thank you for joining with us.
Thank you, Anjali.
With over 20 years of experience at Tata Elxsi, as you reflect on your career journey, can you share a defining happy moment that stands out for you?
So I joined Tata Elxsi in 2005 as a lead for a protocol stack development project in the networking group, and later I joined the automotive business unit. And here I got an opportunity or multiple opportunities to work in various projects, interesting and challenging ones, mainly in the infotainment and then in the telematics domain as well. And further to that, I moved on to project management roles in functional safety, adaptive autosar, and now as a delivery manager. And one of the happy moments that I recollect is in 2013, I got an opportunity to present a paper at a BBI conference. And at the conference, there were the major OEMs and tier ones, automotive OEMs and tier ones, and it was quite intimidating for me. And however, after I presented the paper, there was a very good response from the audience, and there were many OEMs as well as tier ones who came to the Tata Elxsi booth, and they came up with questions and clarifications, and an interesting discussion going on. So that really gave me joy.
Okay, that's so interesting to hear on that, Silvy. So, may I know what are the key takeaways that have you learned at Tata Elxsi that has helped you to grow your career?
Yeah, there are many learnings as such, but one of the most important lessons I learned or takeaway is the power and the impact, the positive impact of very good teamwork done together. And with that, we can, overcome many obstacles which otherwise seem very formidable. So, one of the examples is we were working in a very particularly challenging project where our scope of work was to make a GNSS software compliant, SLB compliant, that is for automotive safety standards. And this was being done for a leading European OEM who was deploying it in their autonomous vehicles. So, and there were multiple challenges here. There were technical challenges, project management challenges, and vendor interaction challenges. So there were 4 entities in this setup. There was Tata Elxsi, the customer, there was another vendor, and also there was the assessor who is going to finally certify us. So with the combined teamwork of the delivery team, the practice reviews, the SQA team, the sales, and also at times there was support required from the management. With all of this put together, we got a collective success for the project. And it was the first GNSS SLB qualified product in the market, and a project that was a critical project turned out into a stable account for over 7 years now. So the teamwork, drawing the strengths of different teams and the perseverance and the success it brings is the lesson that I learned.
May I know how has Tata Elxsi empowered you to balance your professional aspirations with personal commitments?
So, Tata Elxsi provides us flexibility, and there's a certain amount of freedom with respect to various aspects. And this has enabled me to balance or ensure that my work and personal life is both going on as required, so that my personal responsibilities are also fulfilled. And yes, the support from the team here and support from my family as well, all of it together has helped.
May I know, in what ways has Tata Elxsi's nurturing culture fostered your growth and development as a leader?
So what I see in Tata Elxsi is that it provides an environment that is promoting a continuous learning environment, which what it provides is basically multiple platforms and sessions to hone our leadership skills and to keep us up to date with the latest in technological trends as well as the best practices in the industry. So all of this has helped me to grow. Then the team which I worked with and my managers have been very supportive and really helped me to grow. Plus, they have enabled collaboration between teams so that together we achieve whatever are the priority goals. So these are the things that have helped me grow.
So, last but not the least, may I know what is one advice which you would like to give to our fellow women employees?
Yes. One advice I would like to give is we should understand what is the technology, since we are in the technological field. What is the technology that interests us? What is it that we have a passion about? And follow that, because our company, fortunately, is supporting that and providing various means, like, for example, the mentorship program that helps us to grow in what we aspire for. So, for all women employees, there are definitely more challenges for women employees, agreed, but they also are equipped with some kind of strength which is inbuilt, which helps them to manage all of these together, to focus on one's goal and work towards it passionately. I think that's my advice.
Okay, I totally agree with you what you have mentioned. So, Silvy, this was indeed an insightful conversation with you, having so many value adds. Thank you so much, Silvy, for joining with us today in spite of your busy schedule. And thank you all for watching.
Thank you.